Decorating Fanatic here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today this is going to be a super easy DIY project. I'm going to be removing my cotton wreaths and I'm going to put up some new spring ones. And all you need is your favorite spring wreaths, some ribbon, and I'm going to show you guys how to make a bow and how to hang your wreath on your cabinet doors. So let's go ahead and get started. Well, I want to go ahead and show you guys what I'm going to use for my cabinet doors. Now, I did pick these up, these lavender wreaths, which I think are just perfect. I love the lavender. It's perfect for spring and summer. I got these over at Marshall's for $12.99, and I picked up 2 of them. And then I did find this ribbon over at Walmart. Now, it goes perfect with my lavender color, but when you take this off, it's not as dark. So you can kind of see through it, so it's not as dark, but I think this will be perfect. It's got a little shimmer of the lavender color, and it's got some glitter. So I think this will look really nice on my cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to make a bow. Now, let's see. I only cut maybe 4 inches, and then you can fold the edges here. Now I do have to heat up my glue gun, which I didn't do, but all you do is fold the edges, and then it's super easy. You just pinch this together, and then all you have to do is come back with your hot glue and just go in the folds here, and then hold that, and then all you have to do is just fan it out, and that got tucked under there too far, but anyways. There's your bow, and then what I had left over for Christmas, I was looking for something off-white, but I found these almost look like rose gold. So I'm going to pop one of these right in the middle, and then I'm going to hang my bow on my wreath. So let me go ahead and plug in my hot glue so I can make a couple bows, and then we'll be ready to hang our wreaths. Make sure when you cut your ribbon, you give yourself enough length to go over the back of the door, and that's where you're going to secure it. Now I went ahead and used Scotch tape, and that is enough. That will hold it. Now I did run out of Scotch tape because I wanted to put a couple more pieces on there, but I'm going to go out in the garage and find me some other tape that I'll go ahead and use to make sure it doesn't come down. But let me go ahead and show you what the front of these look like. My lavender wreaths are all hung, and I must say that I am in love with these lavender wreaths. They are so pretty, and they are perfect for spring. Then I went ahead and picked up this really light lavender ribbon. It has a little shimmer to it. And then I also went ahead and made the little bow and hot glued that to the bottom of my wreath. Now, depending on what you guys like, you could put your bow anywhere on the wreath that you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super easy DIY project. Now don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. And until next time, happy decorating!